In this video, we will show you a stunning and beautiful title slide animation for presentation. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Right click, go to format background, select color for our slide, go to insert, select shape, select right triangle from here, drag it, shape outline, make it no outline, press Control+Shift and drag it. Again press Control+Shift and drag it and click on rotate, select flip vertical. Select all three triangles, click on shadow, select shadow, increase blur size and transparency. Go to insert, click on picture, select 3 pictures from here. I have cropped one picture into 3. To know this how to crop this one picture into 3, you can click on I button and see the video. Select first picture and cut it. Click on first rectangle and go to picture and texture fill and click on clipboard. Select second picture, again cut it. Select second triangle and again go to picture or texture fill and click on clipboard. And deselect rotate with shape. Select third picture and cut it. Select third triangle and go to picture or texture fill and click on clipboard. After that, click on insert, select text box and drag it. Write title here. Select it and change the font. Make it bold and increase the size also. And change the color. Adjust it. Again press Control+Shift and drag it. Decrease the size and here write subtitle of your project or of your slide and change the color also. Again press Control+Shift and drag it and decrease the size. Here you paste your project information or your title slide information here. Click on first slide, duplicate it, go to first slide again and adjust the triangles in this way. Also select and drag it to outside of the slide. Select title text box and drag it with the Control+Shift and write welcome here. Change the color. Click on first slide, select both slide, go to transition and click on Morph. And change the duration to 3 seconds. Again click on first slide and click on slideshow and see. So see friends, our slide looking very beautiful. If you think our video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.